Welcome to the Stack course of the HT8 MCU Basic Tutorial. This course will take you through the stack of the HT8 MCU from the following three aspects: Stack Introduction, Stack Operation Process, and Stack Overflow. Stack Introduction. What is a stack? This is a special part of the memory which is used to save the program counter contents only. It is used for saving and restoring the data during function calls and interrupt handling, where the data refers to the address stored in the program counter. It is neither readable nor writable. Stored data will be lost when its power supply is removed. Let's take a look at the stack structure, taking the HT66F3195 as an example. For this device, the stack has 8 levels, with the upper part being the top of the stack and the lower part being the bottom of the stack. Additionally, there is a stack pointer that is used to indicate the current level of the stack. The two most important stack operations are the push and pop. Let's understand the push operation. An element is added first and then the stack pointer is increased by 1. The pop operation, however, the contents specified by the stack pointer is sent to the destination location, and then the stack pointer is decreased by 1. These two operations implement data insertion and removal. The data element in the stack have a characteristic. The data element that is placed into the stack first is always the last to be removed, a feature commonly referred to as first in, last out. Stack operation process. Suppose the CPU is executing the main program and the program counter stores the address of the next instruction to be executed. At a subroutine call or interrupt acknowledge signal, the contents of the program counter are pushed onto the stack. And then the CPU will jump to the task that needs to be executed. When the jumped task is completed, the program counter is restored to its previous value from the stack. And the original task execution continues. Stack Overflow. What is a stack overflow? Excessive function calls may lead to the stack being unable to hold the return addresses for these calls, resulting in a stack overflow. What causes stack overflows? A stack overflow may be caused by infinite recursion or an excessive number of stack levels. The result of a stack overflow? If the stack is overflow, the first program counter save in the stack will be lost. It might cause unpredictable program branching. How to prevent stack overflow? If the stack is full and an enabled interrupt takes place, the interrupt request flag will be set to 1, but the interrupt response will be inhibited until the stack pointer is decrement. However, when the stack is full, a call subroutine instruction can still be executed, which will result in a stack overflow. Precautions should be taken to avoid such cases. The EV chip can be used with HT8 3000 for the purposes of device emulation. If the stack overflow, the relevant prompt will appear. Course summary. In this course, we have learned about what is stack, stack operation process, and stack overflow. You will have a clear understanding of the stack. Holtec has a professional service team to assist in development design and after-sales service. Please feel free to contact our business departments for more detailed product information and consultation services.